Hello all. Before we begin the video, let's discuss CloudFoundation. CloudFoundation is the premier online training platform to help individuals and organizations gain knowledge and skills in the ever-growing cloud computing industry.
And then can you tell me any department, anybody can help me out? HR. We have done, admin, we are just writing and any other department? Sales. Okay. And yeah, just scroll down. Here it is for admin. This one sales. Active. Okay. If you want to add the cost center also, we can able to add it. Otherwise we don't have to do anything. We can able to save it. Okay. This are minimizing it. And I will again go back into the system. Select import. General Object Department. File encoding. We should take a duty of it. Okay. Pause time. Okay. So here also we have a full part and we have an increment. Also, we have a full part and we have an increment. So, as we don't have any data in the system, so we can go ahead for the full part. Okay. So we can go ahead with the full part. And last, we are not to choose. We need to choose the file. Okay. So, choosing the file, scroll down. This is a file, right? Department. Open it and you may need to validate it. Here also you have two options. Validate import, right? So click on validate it. You can see import request has been submitted. Okay. So what do you need to do? Duplicate the screen. Okay. And go to monitor job. Okay. And can you see here the department MDF import validation has been submitted. Can you see here? Yes. Okay. So here in the report we can able to see total, how many has been processed and how many has been passed and failed. Can you see here? If you again okay. Is it visible? Screen is visible. Okay, so this validation, it will show. And when you click on the download status, you can download the log here. You got this. Can you see here the screen? Yeah. Okay. It should come like this. Once it is showing that the validation is correct, then again come back to the screen here. Import, export. And already the file is being chosen. We need to be able to import. Okay. Again, we can see here. This is validation. Again, we refresh it. The import also will be showing it. So can you see here? Import. Second one. Previous one was this one validation, right? You can see, this is validate. This is import. Can you see that? Okay. And then when you scroll down here, you can able to go and click and then download the import here. You can see the import was successfully completed. Can you see here? Yeah. Okay. In other way we see if you are getting some error. Suppose you have done some 10 cases and for 2 cases has been failed. The reason also will be specifying why the 2 cases have been failed. And it will help us to rectify that particular file. Okay. Then, after checking this, we will again go back here into Manage Data. And we can go to Department. And the scope. This one, right? HRP. Right. The admin was there. I think the admin was there. One was admin, one was sales. So I think this one first one. Okay. So here also the date also will be reflecting. Can you see the date also? It is showing here. Okay. Okay. Similarly for the sales also. Okay. Well, here also it is showing. So two departments we created with the help of import and export data. That is one method, and one department we created with the help of manage data. So all the three records for the department. It is showing in the manage data and the department. Got it? Yeah. So one method is this, and another method is import and export. Yeah. Similarly, you can go and create. You start with the legal entity, then business unit, then division, then department, then location, cost center. These are the important things which we need to go and create. Okay. And after that you need to go and create the job classification also. Okay. So we need to go and create a job class. Let me create a job classification, and after that, let me create a position. That is another topic. And then we go and do the hiring. Okay. So I was discussing that. We have completed the foundation and MDF object creation with both the methods. So any questions from your end? No. So after creating the structure, we also need to create the job classification. So I already created a job classification. You can see.
And finally, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.